Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out the MaeckerVR Direct-Charge Controller Grips for your Quest 3 and your Quest 3S. They retail for $66 Canadian on their website, on sale currently for $57. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 20% off as well. In this one I'm going to unbox them, I'll assemble them, show you how they feel, show you how they adjust, talk about the specs a little bit, and then I'll give you my review of them in the end. If you haven't checked out my other reviews, I'll link that playlist below. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's unbox these. Okay, so inside of that box we had our two controller grips. Inside that little box we had our rechargeable batteries, and then we have our charging cable here as well. So here I have my Quest 3S controllers, the exact same as the Quest 3 though. So you can do the same thing here. Let's assemble these. So just press a little button there, pop that off. I'll do the other one after. I'm going to take the battery out here. Set that to the side. And now we're going to open up these batteries here. And they are labeled, as you can see there, left and right. And so this is my right controller, so I'm going to take this and we are going to, there we go, that's better. So you want these two gold pieces to be facing out once you have installed them. If you still want to use this, I don't think you really can, so we're going to set that to the side there. I'm going to take our right grip here, and all you're going to do is make sure that this just slides right in. And then a little lip comes over top right here. That's all it is. So let's do that with the other one here quick too. Okay, so there we have it. Both of them are now installed. Charging cable here, if we open this up, you're going to see that it has a single USB that is then going to split and form into two USBs, so you can charge the controllers at the same time, which obviously is very convenient and very nice. So I'm going to go and use these a little bit here, and then I'll come back, give you a little bit of how to use as well, and give you my review of them. Okay, had a chance to use them. I want to talk about a little bit more about the specs and then give you my review of them here as well. So in terms of comfort, very comfortable. The silicone is nice. It's kind of a grippy feel down on the bottom right here. Makes it nice and easy. Makes your hands not sweat so much. I find when it's smooth silicone all over that my hands sweat a bit more. And so I'm glad that it has a bit of grip right here. The band part is a nice thick silicone as well. It almost feels like it's padded right here too, which is nice on the back of the hand. Not putting a lot of strain on it. Has a little metal button up here for security. I didn't feel that at all when I was playing. And then easy to adjust, right? You're just pushing that button, can pull that string either way, and it can fit big hands, it can fit small hands. So if you do have bigger hands, these are definitely controller grips that you should consider getting for that. In terms of playtime, I honestly didn't run them all the way to the ground because I haven't had that much time on my hands. On the website it does say up to 19 hours of playtime. I'm a little over 10, and yeah, we are a little under 50% now according to the last check that I did, but they're lasting a long time. So it's not like they're just going to last you one session or two sessions or something. They're going to last you quite a long time. Installation, as you saw, was very easy as well. And then charging is very easy because of the cable that comes with it, because it has a split, so you can charge them both at the same time with just this one cord through USB-C. Charge time for these is about an hour, is from what it says on the website. So that's pretty fast to give you 19 hours of playtime. Price, we are looking at $67 Canadian, regular price on their website, currently on sale for $58 at the time of making this video. You can also use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 20% off of your purchase on their website as well. I'll link that in the description below. If you do have any questions though, please feel free to let me know. I didn't have any tracking issues while using these. Didn't really have any issues at all. Things went very smoothly with them, and I think they're a very solid option that you can do if you want something with bigger hands and that has rechargeable batteries. Has both of those in this one, which is definitely great. Check them out. Check out the link in the description. Check out my other VR accessory reviews, and I'll see you next time on Brian's Lone Artist.